Listen, you've heard those attorneys on TV say, you don't have to pay unless we win for you. Right. Now, what is that called?
That's called a contingency fee.
Okay.
And a contingency fee is typically you're going to see in a personal injury setting. In other words, you go to a lawyer. If he or she thinks that you have a case, they will take that case. They will pay for all of the litigation or any of the expenses up front. And then if and only if you are successful at the end of that case, the lawyer will get a fee, and it's based on a percentage of the recovery of what you're going to get. And so a lot of times, you know, we get people calling us about, well, you don't get paid unless we win, and that's correct. Unless there's some type of recovery, the lawyer does not get a fee. And it's a great way for people who, you know, obviously, if you went and hired a lawyer to litigate a personal injury case that may take a year, year and a half, 2, 3 years. And if you're paying that lawyer for all of that work that they're doing, it could be, and no one is going to have that amount of money to be able, especially in a big case. So the contingency fee structure, which is great, is you kind of defer all that. And if there is no recovery, then the lawyer just
eats it.
Eats it.
Yeah. Now, is there a set percentage, or is that negotiated differently?
Yeah, it's negotiated, and it depends upon what type of case. You know, you can see contingency fees range, like in a workers' comp setting. The contingency fee is set by statute where it's only 15%. And so the lawyer receives 15%. But if it's a personal injury, like a car wreck or a trucking case or a medical malpractice, those fees can go from 30% to 40 to 45%, depending on the complexity and all of that. But again, on if you need a lawyer for like a will or a divorce or something of that nature, you're not going to. It's not going to be. You're going to have to pay up front. But on an injury setting, you can go with the contingency fee.